At Summer NAMM 2019, I wanted to make a different type of video that's typically done. I wanted to go in depth with philosophy and why certain pieces of gear were created. I wanted to go into the application and how this will change the way that we record or mix.
Hey everybody, it's Elmo with Wampler Pedals. Wanted to give you a quick rundown on the Wampler Terraform everybody's been waiting for. We got our first digital pedal, 11 effects in there. You got phaser, you got a rotary, auto swell, tremolo, harmonic tremolo, you got a dimension chorus, got your regular chorus, univibe, auto wall, envelope filter, flanger. We just did a little bit of the rotary. You got so many parameters that you can affect, from the variable, the speed from your ramp of the slow to fast speed for your rotary Leslie style effect. You can tap any of the tempos for the univibe, for in your chorus, any of the flanging. You got an expression pedal. Any control can be assigned to the expression pedal, and you also got 8 presets here that you can scroll through manually, as well as when you hold down your tap tempo button, you'll be able to cycle through your presets like that. But it's awesome having stereo ins, stereo outs, MIDI capability. Yeah, we're hoping to have it out here mid-October and get it in everybody's hands. It does like phaser and some other stuff. The rotary's really nice on this because you can do the ramp speed and all that. But this pedal will be out in October, so it's everybody's asking about it.